Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? Today is Saturday, September 4th, 2021, and the market is officially closed. Let's check out these charts and see if we can get any insight into what could potentially happen next week. First and foremost, if you like what you heard over the past couple weeks, make sure that you hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. And thank you for those who have recently subscribed. I will be releasing more content as time allows, and I plan on it. All right, so S&P, let's get into that. S&P closed at 45.35.43. Record high is 45.45.85, and that is about, $10.43 above the current close, and that's pretty close to the record high. So as usual, if the market closes near record highs, chances of continuation are high, and we're probably going to see a continuation. I do not have a price target right now because I'm still looking to see how this is going to play out. Let's take a look at what we've got for this current week. Like I said, we closed at record high and trend is fine, so nothing to see here, right? So that's S&P. Let's check out the Russell, ticker IWM. I'm going to spend a little bit more time on this one because this one is still range bound. IWM closed at 227.96. Record high is still the same, 234.53. And this stinking range will not leave us alone, will it? We have been between 210 and 230 basically since the beginning of the year, and we may have a chance of finally getting out of it. We'll see. Right now, we do not have that signal. So the important thing about technical analysis is you know nothing. All you know is that the market is going to move. As long as you go into reading any chart with that mindset, no prejudgment, you'll be all right. Now, we've stayed in this range for quite some time. We want the signal of a solid close out of that range. Once we see that, then we'll have some solid continuation. Now, let's take a look at the closes that we've had. Last week, we closed above the 20-day moving average, and now this week, we're still above. And interestingly enough, that 20-day moving average has formed some type of support now. The recent candle touched that 20-day moving average and moved up, and that could be a good signal. It is a spinning top. That is an indecisive signal. We may see some continuation, but like I said, we want that close to give us that confirmation. That is the Russell. Let's check out the Dow, ticker $DJI for those of us on Thinkorswim. Dow closed at 35,369.09. Record high is 35,631.19. Not too far off from its record high, about $300 or so. And it has moved along just fine as well. 20-day moving average has formed support in the past. It has hit it and continued to move higher. So that 20-day moving average is getting closer to the price here. We'll see how that one's going to react. We'll see. So that is the Dow. And lastly, we are going to check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX for that one. NDX closed at 15,652.86. Record high is 15,696.42 made this week. And you fill in the blanks there. Record highs, when you close near it, you know what the game is. That's it. This one is another simple one. The market continued to move higher in most cases on all indexes. Even the Russell is now participating just a little bit. We're going to see if it can continue on next week. We have started something new, all right? Myself, my buddy Cam, and DJ Step One have now formed Investor Club. In Investor Club, we do that once a month. So if you're interested in signing up for that, it is free, and we just give you great investing wisdom across the board: real estate, investing in the stock market, crypto, whatever is investing that's making money, we're likely going to have somebody on and we can have a discussion about it. And it's going to help you improve yourself. Speaking of improving yourself, make sure you get outside today. Get that fresh air. Spend some time with the people that you love and make some memories. This market stuff is cool and all. Making money is great, but on your deathbed, everybody wants more time. Use your time wisely. And we'll check you next week, all right? Peace.